This video will guide you through pairing your smartphone to the 2024 Cadillac XT4's infotainment system. We'll cover both Bluetooth for basic connectivity and the setup for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Properly pairing your phone allows for hands-free calling, audio streaming, navigation, and more, enhancing your driving experience. First, turn on your XT4 and access the Cadillac User Experience System via the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and select Pair Device on the Q screen. Your phone should appear on the screen. Select it. A pin might be displayed on both devices. Confirm they match, usually 0. This establishes a basic Bluetooth connection for calls and audio. First, ensure CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and make sure it's turned on. On the Cadillac XT4's Q touchscreen, select the Apple CarPlay option from the main menu. Your iPhone should automatically detect the XT4 and prompt you to connect. On your iPhone, select the XT4 from the available devices to complete the wireless pairing. Once paired, your iPhone's interface mirrors on the car's touchscreen, giving you access to apps like Maps, Music, and Messages. Wireless CarPlay offers convenience by eliminating the need for cables, providing a cleaner dashboard. Wired Android Auto ensures a stable connection and reliable performance, especially for data-intensive applications like navigation. Both systems allow for voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, keeping your hands on the wheel. The XT4 automatically disconnects Bluetooth and CarPlay Android Auto connections when the ignition is turned off, preventing unauthorized access. Cadillac uses end-to-end encryption for Bluetooth connections to enhance data security. Be mindful of the permissions you grant to CarPlay and Android Auto, as they can access personal data on your phone. The automotive industry is moving towards fully integrated ecosystems with enhanced AI-driven assistance and 5G connectivity. AI-driven assistance will provide more intelligent responses and natural interactions within the vehicle. 5G connectivity enables faster data speeds and real-time updates for navigation and entertainment. Future XT4 models may feature over-the-air updates that expand app support and improve voice control accuracy. Keep an eye out for advancements in wireless Android Auto and more seamless integration with in-car streaming services.